whatever you want to do. It's just a jet ski away.
Just
True.
look at
Emily,
a
just
jet
go to
ski
the
away.
house.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna get like
You
security.
should jet ski though. Even if you don't do it today, like you should do it.
Yeah.
I used to. I've ridden on jet ski before. I love them. They're so fun.
No, here it's even better.
So
Really?
nice.
It's so
There's like
good.
no one on the water.
It's so good.
night.
You wanna go, Emily?
Yes, I would love to go with you. It's the best.
It could be me, you, and Catchy.
Yes. We can all fit on one, I think.
But don't let Cassie drive.
No,
yeah.
Catchy can't drive me.
I almost-
This isn't even like content. Please don't let her drive.
No, I saw that she got really.
Someone's pulling up.